Hello students, wish you all a very good morning. I am your math teacher, Iskran. Welcome you all back to another session of maths online classes. Students, ISMS, we have did the recapitulation during the previous exam. On the same way, we will recapitulation. We will do the recap. It means we will do the revision. The term one exam. It means that will be commenced from 1st of November. So students, for the recapitulation, I have brought the chapter number 1. Why? Because chapter number 6, chapter number 7, we have finished in current time. Okay, we have finished currently. So I hope that chapters will be repeated in your mind. So I thought that I should start chapter number 1. So let's see. In chapter number 1, page number 18, few questions I have mentioned on the board that let's evaluate. That questions belong to let's evaluate. So students, in mathematics especially, there are various types of questions may ask from anywhere. It's supposed to be definitely if you want to change the question, change the number, change any symbol, that will make a new question. So don't worry about it. Any types of questions may be asked. Okay. So what the questions is given, that is not less, that is not enough. Okay. So see, let's evaluate. Step by step we will solve. Minus 12 multiplied by minus 5. What will be the minus plus? So 12 5 is 60. Multiply minus 2 into minus 10. So minus plus 60 into minus 2. What will be the minus 120 into minus 10. Students, as you know, minus plus. So 12 into 1, 12, 1 0 1 0 0 0. It will be your answer. Second students, if I see it is this multiplication is based upon any property of the integer. So if any property, which property is following on this question, you have to recognize and mention. So what is there? I hope bidistributive properties. It is following distributive properties. So we will mention over here bidistributive property. Minus 10 it will be common. Minus 10. What will be left? Minus 7 plus minus 3. So minus 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus minus 3 minus 10 minus plus, but sign will remain same. Minus 10 into minus 10, what will happen? 100. Minus cancelled. So students, in next question, morning temperature on a particular day of October. It means any day of October, any particular day, it was recorded in Kashmir 3.5 degrees centigrade in the morning. Okay students. So say by afternoon it rose by 5 degree more. It rose by 5 degree more. So what is the current temperature in afternoon? So we will mention over here the temperature recorded in the morning of the day in October in Kashmir. What is that? So to 3.5 degree centigrade. So now it rose by 5 degrees centigrade in afternoon. The recorded temperature is 3.5 degrees centigrade plus 5 degrees centigrade more. It will be 8.5 degrees centigrade. Okay students, see the next question students. These questions completely based upon the body mass. I hope you all have studied about the body mass. So body mass, V body mass. So we will discuss, we will solve first of all V for when coulomb. So where is when coulomb? 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Rest of all we will copy as the same as it is. 38 minus 2, 5 minus 8 minus 3 will be 5. Okay students, it has solved. Now rest of all mention as it is. Don't do anything. Minus 4. See now when column finish after when column what is bracket? So solve bracket. 38 minus bracket 2 minus 0, 5 minus 5 0, 2 into 0 0 divided by 2, 7 minus minus plus 4 is 12. 38 minus 38 divided by 2, 7 plus 12 19. 38 divided by 38, answer 1. So students, this is all about V-word mass. Okay, how to solve? We will solve step by step as per given sign and following the sign. See students, next question: the temperature of piece of a metal is minus 30 degrees centigrade. Any metal, any piece of metal is there whose temperature is minus 13 degree centigrade recorded. So on heating, when it used to heat, after that the temperature of metal rise will be 63 degrees centigrade, and it increases and it becomes 63 degrees centigrade. See, what is the change in temperature of the metal piece? Now what is the change? So solution: the initial temperature was minus 13 degrees centigrade. On heating, it rose by 63 degrees centigrade. So it is called, what is the change in temperature of the metal piece? So what is the total change? Then the total change in temperature is equal to 63 degree minus 30 degrees centigrade. Final temperature of initial temperature. What will be there? 63 degree minus plus 13 degree centigrade. So to 76 degrees centigrade was recorded. Okay students, so I hope you all have understood about the integers recapitulation, and in the next video we will discuss about the second chapter, that is fraction or decimal intermediate. Okay students, till that repeat it, do it, all the remaining questions, and all the best for your upcoming examination. That's all. Thank you.